Okay, hello there. Hope you guys are doing well. It's been a while since I posted. So today's video is going to be about strategies that work during 2024. All right. So there are a lot of strategies out there that traders do practice and implicate and replicate every single day. But there are specific strategies that did work during the year 2024. To begin with, the first thing I would like to talk about is the trend and the volatility of the market during this year 2024. One thing you notice about the market this year was that this year was very, very volatile. I've observed the year from a whole trend perspective, and one thing I understood and observed was we had more of sales throughout the majority of this year, and wherever the market bought to on a series of USD pairs, the USD was very, very strong. The USD proved a lot of strength throughout this year. So that's not really our focus for this video. Our focus for this video is to talk about strategies that actually did work during this year 2024. All right, so the first strategy that actually did work during this 2024, beginning from the least, which actually makes me a reasonable amount of money, is the indicator strategy, and I'm talking precisely moving average. Now, moving average is a tool, it's an indicator tool on its own, but then this indicator tool was able to help me to amass to a really good amount of money within a subsequent period of about 3 months. I really don't like to share and talk a lot about how much I make from Forex, but then within a space of about 3 months, it really made me a good amount of money. And how did this strategy help me? Now, one thing you notice about moving average is that moving average actually is a line which passes through your chart, which calculates the previous number of candlesticks, how they have been moving, and measures the volatility and strength of that candlestick in order to give you future price projections of what price might do. All right, so in essence, what I'm trying to say is that should price get to any point around the moving average, there is a projection of something or a reaction of what might happen. Now, how does moving average actually works? The way moving average works is very, very simple. It has just basically 3 rules. Each time you have the line, which is called the moving average, because this average can be changed. You can have it at 50, you can have it at 500, you can have it at 200, and you can have it at 12. You can put it at any line which you want, but I personally, I always like to put mine at 50. Now, on the 50 moving average, each time price crosses the moving average where the candlesticks are trading below the moving average, where the line is trading above the candlesticks, I'll be looking for more of sell setups, which means that whenever price touches the moving average, I expect it to tap on that particular point of the line and start selling off from there. That's the first part of this strategy. And now, whenever the price goes below it, wherever it crosses and goes below it, I'll be looking out for more of buy setups, which basically means that wherever price comes back and touches the moving average for a retest, I'll be looking out for more of buy setups. And then whenever the moving average is now within, it's just like ranging in a mixed screen like that, just ranging in a mixed screen within the candlesticks, it indicates to me clearly that it's a ranging market, so I should just stay away from it. It's just that simple. So it's a very simple strategy which I've applied with very simple set of rules, and it has really helped me and confirmed a lot of trade setups for me, which I've taken and capitalized on. Now, moving on to the second strategy which has actually helped me throughout the year 2024 is actually simple price action. Now, when I talk of simple price action, what I'm talking about is a very simple set of rules, talking of higher highs and higher lows, and how the market does what we call change of structure or change of character. I'm talking about breakouts, I'm talking of break and retest, I'm talking about breakoffs, demand and supply zones. This is very simple price structure. But then keeping my rules very, very simple and very, very short has helped me a lot within this year too. And when I talk of this, I'm talking about the first thing, me looking at the direction of the market, trading in the direction of the market, that's the trend of the market. Trading from higher time frames, looking at the market from candlestick perspective, looking for pattern confirmations, looking for candlestick confirmations. All these things brought together as a puzzle when I bring them together and really do arrange them well, it's always very easy for me to catch good winning trades. So simple price action has helped me also in the past 3 to 6 months. Actually, this is one of the highest strategies that I have really been applying, and it has really given me a lot of money within this year, and it has really helped me like with reasonable amounts of money to pay for my daily expenses here and there based on the chart. All right, so moving on to the next and final strategy which we'll be talking about here is the strategy called order flow strategy. Is actually a strategy which has also helped me with really insane amounts of profits, which I really couldn't imagine myself making this such amount of money throughout the year 2024. And now when I talk of order flow strategy, what do I mean? When I talk of order flow, I'm talking about the volatility and strength of the market, where the market is actually moving from and where is it heading to, which means that if price actually leaves a certain demand zone and is going to a certain the next area of interest, which could still be a supply zone, the order flow of that market we are looking at is a bullish order flow. All right, so this strategy is a strategy that literally helped me to be able to identify directions of the market, because one of the main things about forex trading is you want to find yourself trading in the direction of the market. If you are trading against the direction of the market, you will always lose. So for people who are always trying to buy when the market is selling and sell when the market is buying, that's because they don't understand what we call order flow. But order flow has helped me now in so many ways, such that each time I step on the charts, the first thing I have at the back of my mind, that has been registered at the back of my mind, is identifying the order flow of the market. This is very important, and it is as important as I am emphasizing on the word order flow. So this strategy is a very simple strategy. It's just about you identifying your order flow and which time frame is best for this. I use the daily time frame in order to identify the order flow of the market. So once I have spotted a zone of demand on the daily time frame where the market comes and rejects from and starts buying to the next zone of supply, I understand that my order flow on the lower time frame, such as a 4-hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, and so on and so forth, is going to be bullish. Why am I saying so? Because the daily has already shown to me that it has tested on a demand zone and is literally trading towards a supply zone area. So that's exactly how these strategies do work. Now, the reason why I am talking about these strategies now is because it's not about the fact that I change or I switch one strategy to the other, but it's about the fact that it is a pick and add type of a thing. All right, I have learned from so many people, and I have picked the minds of so many successful traders, and I have brought it together and formed my own style of trading. And now this is what really suits me. So I actually bring these 3 types of winning strategies together. That's the moving average type of strategy, the market structure, which is another type of strategy, and the order flow. When I bring this together and mix it up together, it gives me my own strategy, which is a pick minds of a lot of successful traders that I have literally learned from. Now, I don't just apply these strategies like that on a very aggressive mode. I have also a risk management plan which I do use, and if you want to watch my video concerning the risk management plan which I do apply, you can watch that on my previous video which I just uploaded on this same channel. So talking of the strategies, these strategies has really helped me a lot. And if you really think that there's something about the strategies that you really like and you really want to learn more on, you can always hit me on my DM. I have a WhatsApp link down in my description box below. You can tap on that link. It's going to get you directly to my DM. We can talk about trading. And also, that's that for 2024 so far. It's been one of the highest years that I've really been into the market full-time focus, and it's also one of the highest years that I've made a lot of successful trades on the financial markets this year. So if you like this video and you are still watching all the way till now, it means you're actually interested in watching and learning something. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and turn on post notifications so that in the next video you'll be one of the first people to see this. All right, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.